Oh no. Sorry. I didn't think she was gonna go. Get on this boat right now. Come on. Get on this boat. I don't think that's gonna work. I don't think that's gonna work. Come on.
Ada. Get her around this way.
Come here. Get over here.
Come on, this way.
Get on the boat. Stay. She was doing really good, staying and not doing it, and then she did it once, and now it's like best thing ever. Just kidding. He just caught a monster and ate it. Oh!
Ada. He's gonna catch a fish over here.
You do not. You stay.
Stay. No. No. No, get back. Sit. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. No. 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 Put him back in the water. Take a picture for Mama. Goes. Hold on. Good girl. Alright, let's get another one.